Hello viewers, the question is, in an unbiased p-n junction, holes are diffused from the p region to the n region because option A, free electrons in the n region attract them, option B, they move across the junction by the potential difference, part C, hole concentration in p region is more as compared to the n region, and part D, all of the above. So in this problem, there is a p-n junction. This is the p-n junction diode, this is the p side, this is the n side. We know that in the p side there are the majority carriers as holes, and in the n side the majority carriers as electrons. So when there is no biasing, no battery is applied, then also the charge carrier moves. For example, the hole move from the p side to the n side, and the main reason of their movement is the process known as diffusion. So process known as diffusion takes place, which is due to the concentration imbalance of the charge carrier on both sides. For example, in the p side, the majority of charge carriers are holes, whereas in the n side they are very less in amount. Holes are very less in amount. So that's why they try to move from the higher concentration side to the lower concentration sides. That's why there is a movement from p to n side. So this is the process which is known as diffusion. So part C is correct here. The hole concentration in p region is more as compared to the n region. That is why the hole move from the p side to the n side without any bias, without any battery. So we can say that option C is correct here. तो एक प्रॉब्लम पूछी गई, इसमें कहा गया कि एक अनबायस्ड पीएन जंक्शन डायोड है. अनबायस्ड का मतलब इसमें कोई भी बैटरी अप्लाई नहीं की है, कोई भी एनर्जी नहीं दी गई है. तो यहाँ पे होल डिफ्यूज करते हैं पी रीजन से एन रीजन की तरफ. उसका रीजन क्या है? तो उसका रीजन ये है कि होल की कंसंट्रेशन जो है वो ज्यादा होती है पी साइड में एज कम्पेयर टू द एन साइड, और इस कंसंट्रेशन को बैलेंस करने के लिए एक प्रोसेस जिसको हम डिफ्यूजन कहते हैं, उसकी वजह से होल्स जो है मूव करते हैं फ्रॉम पी साइड टू एन साइड. सो हम यहाँ पे कहेंगे ऑप्शन सी जो है हमारा करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है, करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. So hope you understand the explanation. Thank you.